In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make credible professional headshots with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Gemini, where to click, what to type, and how to let the tool do the heavy lifting so your results look polished, authentic, and ready for professional use. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in so your session can access all the creative features without interruption. Having a stable connection helps too, since image generation can take a moment. Next, click the plus icon and locate your image, then click it. This lets you bring in a reference photo if you want Gemini to consider your general look, outfit style, or framing as inspiration. Choose a clear image with your face well lit and in focus for the best guidance. Now click Tools. This takes you to the creative utilities designed for visual generation and refinement, all in one place, so you don't have to jump around. Click Create Image. You're now in the workspace where your prompt drives the look and feel of the final headshot. This step is all about clarity. The more precise your description, the more realistic and consistent your results will be. Now enter your prompts. You can copy this prompt from the description below and I'll read it out so you know exactly what it does. Type: develop authoritative portrait in dark suit with natural fabric texture, window light at 45 degrees, creating gentle nose shadow, genuine thoughtful expression with slight brow furrow, visible laugh lines, understated background with soft focus, realistic eye catch lights. This wording guides Gemini toward believability. The dark suit with natural fabric texture avoids a plastic, overly perfect look. The window light at 45 degrees creates a flattering shadow along the nose, adding depth without harsh contrast. A thoughtful expression with a slight brow furrow reads intelligent and engaged, while soft laugh lines keep it human and approachable. An understated, softly focused background prevents distractions and keeps attention on your face. And realistic eye catch lights bring life to the eyes, which is essential for credible portraits. Then wait patiently until it generates your results. Avoid refreshing or clicking away. Processing time can vary. When images appear, look for even lighting on the face, crisp details in the suit fabric, gentle background blur, and clear catch lights. If something feels off, small wording tweaks later can nudge the style without changing your overall direction. That's the full process. Open your account, add your image, go to Tools, choose Create Image, enter the prompt, and let Gemini render. With a precise prompt and a bit of patience, you'll have professional, credible headshots ready to use.